Alright, so I'm going to be up front here in the Highlander, Black Highlander. I'll be leading you guys.
It's the Kia.
Well, the steering doesn't go down, bro.
Alright, so guys, we've got, in case you don't know how to shift these things into drive, it's pretty simple. It's easy. You push down on that outer ring, rotate it to the right, that puts it in drive. The Kia, very similar, you just rotate it.
Where's the sports?
Rotate
and
it.
then for the Hyundai, it's going to be that little shifty knobby thing next to your steering wheel.
Why don't we switch off the AC and get some air? Switch off that thing.
Yeah, right. I need to turn this shit off.
Shifty knobby thing is the technical term. Look it up in the manual. All right. So, you guys have an awesome opportunity today, guys. You just did your crawl around with these vehicles, so now you can see what they're like on the street. You guys get to see what you like, what you dislike about them, how they stand up to our vehicles, and kind of find, pros and cons of each, and what kind of information you can take back to the dealership to help you sell some EVs.
I don't think it has a drive mode on the wheel.
Roger. As you guys are well aware of, BZ, Beyond Zero, the zero emissions vehicle, 4X, crossover SUV. So pretty simple name. But 6 more models that carry that BZ moniker in the future. It's all part of Toyota's commitment to zero, basic carbon neutrality by the year 2050.
Look at that. That's nice. Take a picture.
Yeah, it is. It is pretty nice.
On to Cantrell Road. There is a truck coming down, so I'm actually going to wait for him to go.
That's why I want to take the first vehicle behind me because I don't want to lose gap. Where's George?
He's in the car in back of us.
Alright, now we need to
I think we're gonna switch off like driving too, right?
do... Maybe. If I let you.
Alright guys, so let's talk a little bit about pros and cons of the battery operated electric vehicle. Obviously one of the main ones is sustainability, right? People love sustainability right now. We're all about it. An electric vehicle is very sustainable, especially with the right? You're driving to work every day, you commute it back and forth. You just go home, plug this thing in, have dinner, and your vehicle will be ready for the morning to hit the road again.
And this thing can go up to stop if you just take off your foot. I didn't press brakes.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. That's what they said with the accelerator.
You might need to update the charger a little bit, but that's just what it is.
Definitely.
You got it in the drive mode, power mode or
It's in
whatever.
sport.
Yeah, it's in sport, right? I'm trying to see where the fucking EV thing is. Display traffic, EV range. Like the energy monitor. Well, I guess there is no energy monitor, right? Vehicle. Oh wow, that's pretty dope. Driver assistance. This is nice,
All right,
bro.
last thing that we're going to cover for our pros, gas mileage. Technology. Basic gas right now, for lack of a better term, no way around it. It's expensive right now. So, this vehicle that has zero gas mileage, costs associated with that is fantastic. And so we'll measure things in miles per gallon here. We measure it in kilowatt hours per, miles per kilowatt hour. So that's something we'll cover later. But for now, we'll leave that alone. Now we'll talk a little bit about the cons of a battery electric vehicle, what it takes. Sometimes it's tough to get
Curves
to
good.
find the little charging downtime. Now it just comes
It's
to
carbon fiber.
I'm missing the shifter, bro. I hate those ones.
charging downtime.
Oh, it's got the heated steering wheel.
Was a big deterrent.
That's pretty cool. It's all heat.
It's got the
Yeah, don't fucking kill us, bro.
Like your time, it's really not that bad, right? You plug it in
It's a
the
Kia.
wall, you unplug it when you leave the house, you're good to go. You don't even worry about gas. Charging downtime isn't cost. Initial costs. Let's say you're traveling dealer to dealer, you put on a little bit more miles per day, you're going to need a little bit more more charging capabilities. You might want a level 2 charger. That's going to cost you a little bit more. All right, let's get ready to do that green light. It might change on us, but there's nobody waiting. Let's go work.